What's going on, guys? It's Cody.
And Cody.
And we are back with another video for y'all. This one's a special one because we are wrapping Pumpkin. No, I'm just kidding. No, not yet. She needs some other things done. But no, we got a special guest in the house. Old GIXXER bruh came to say what's up and change the look of his bike up a bit. So shout out to him throwing that. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do a new look on this one. I don't really know if I want to tell you guys just yet what it is, but she's gonna look good. I guess cue the intro.
Bye.
Ready.
I'm just so happy that I have a belly pan after I just scorched my other one.
Scorched it.
Scorched it. I got an OEM set of fairings for $40.
Yay! 40 doll hairs.
$40. Heads or tails, you call it in there.
You what?
You didn't call it.
Oh, I thought you were talking to the viewers.
They call it.
Yeah, I don't know. We gotta wait and see in the comment section. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you said. Heads or tails.
Right.
Boom.
Heads.
What is that? Heads.
It's a head.
Yeah. So whoever said heads,
What is
y'all
this
need to hit
from?
that subscribe button.
La mode. Casi eston. What did I say?
He speaks French, y'all.
Ooh la la.
Croissant.
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 I don't know what that says.
It says ooh la la. So what are you doing? Why are you making such a mess?
Well, so I was riding one day.
That needs to go in there.
I was riding one day, and I was riding my bike, and some air hit me, and then it goes, and it went.
Yeah.
So I got these for $40, and I already drilled 3 holes in them by accident.
Doop, doop, doop.
Well, the first one was intentional.
Yeah.
These two.
That's what he says.
Not so much. So this has got to go on there like so. And so we'll have fairings on our bike again.
Got this piece wrapped up. Looking like it's, look at all those colors, y'all. This thing is insane. On camera, like, it makes it look completely different than it is in person. And not in a bad way. Like, it's, what?
I want to see.
What are you talking about?
I want to see.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's like the vet.
It's like a prism.
Remember the vet?
Yeah. So, yeah, that piece is wrapped. We got the tank wrapped, as you guys saw. That's looking real nice, like. And we got the front end wrap.
It's looking like a two-face.
Man, this thing is looking rowdy, y'all. But obviously you guys are going to want to see what it looks like when it's all said and done. So we're going to hop back on this time lapse and get some more stuff done. So what are you doing?
I'm cleaning it.
Stop.
I'm cleaning it.
That is so.
I was just cleaning it.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I am trying to finish this bike. We are getting somewhere though. We're almost there. Look at all these colorful pieces, y'all. We got one more piece.
One more?
One more.
One more?
One more.
One more.
And then we're gonna put a little tiny baby strip on the wheel where it's blue on this side. So we gonna do that, and then
yeah, boy, always kicking stuff. This is expensive, man. Be careful.
Yeah, so that's really it. But yeah, she's looking cool. I'm excited to get it all together. Looking
All
like it's
together.
looking. But yeah, that's gonna be the last piece.
Good. Well.
Yeah, while I've been over here grinding.
Grinding.
Yeah, Cody's over here. He's got his bike together. And look at us, how we just happen to have like red random pieces on both our bikes. But yeah, so he went ahead and put the sides on and got it to where it won't blow off on tomorrow's ride.
Hell yeah.
So that's a positive. And then, you know, got mine all fixed up and ready to ride. You know, she's looking a little rough too, but eventually they'll both be wrapped and
really nice.
looking like a unit.
Looking like a unit.
Yeah, so.
Unit they be looking like.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this last piece knocked out. That way we can throw the bike together, not literally, just like figuratively.
Throw it together.
And yeah, that's gonna be it.
Throw it.
Boom! There she is. Oh, man, oh man.
What y'all freaking think?
She
Real
nasty, y'all.
freaking nasty.
What you
Hi,
think?
I'm over here. I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah. I think she looks real nice. That's
Freaking-
cool. We did
freaking fancy.
the wheel tape, rim tape, whatever you want to call it. It's a tape job. Did that. We
Tape
even
job.
put it on the calipers too. Look at that. You can kind of see it. It's
Tape
a little
it out.
little details, you know what I'm saying? Makes it exquisite. Yeah, that's the move right there. That's yeah, excuse his obnoxiousness. The theme
Half-half.
behind the rap is you got your bad days where, you know, you're all messed up and, you know, life's just beating you up and, you know, you got all the bumps and bruises down the road. But don't ever forget about those good days, because look at how beautiful they are when they come.
When they come.
Yes.
Oh, when
This
they
thing's going to
come.
look sick in sunlight.
When they come, they're beautiful, bright days. Especially with a chrome wrap, you're gonna be blinding.
He's always singing.
People are gonna
Yeah.
be blinded. That's that.
Yeah, so we're actually gonna get out the shop and try to get some more footage and rollers for you guys. So we're gonna include those after we break away from this little shot right here. And
And you know the move.
what?
Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all can know what we doing.
So if you guys are watching this video, it's obviously because you're not outside with us riding with old GIXXER BRAH, but it's all good. You guys can witness the magic here. And yeah, like my big friend Cody right here said, if you like the video, you like the content, you like the bike, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends, your mom, your neighbors, the cat.
Daddy.
Yeah.
The cat.
Girlfriend's baby daddy's mama's cousin. Rip.
Real.
So yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video.
Bye.